you'd like to buy a parrot, well, I've got some advice for you. The parrot had a life and a home and a maid and a couple kids too. The red-crowned parrot has a story of its own. It originates in the forest of northeastern Mexico. And there it lived in great big flocks for everyone to see. Then farmers and ranchers, they arrived and chopped down all the trees. So if you're buying parrots, go to an adoption facility. And if you buy wild parrots, don't try to be friends with me. And if you want to see wild parrots, why don't you just go to a zoo? 'Cause if you buy wild parrots, it makes an asshole out of you. And then folks down there learn that folks up here will pay big money for a parrot to keep. So the smugglers went into business selling red-crowned parrots for cheap. So if you're buying parrots, go to an adoption facility. And if you buy wild parrots, don't try to be friends with me. And if you want to see wild parrots, why don't you just go to a zoo? 'Cause if you buy wild parrots, it makes an asshole out of you.
If you want to save the red-crowned parrot, there's lots you can do. You can pledge, you can participate, you can practice too. Remember, adopt, never buy. Keep the red-crowned parrots in the sky.
Okay, we're done. Good to go?
Good to go.
Sweet. Well, if you'd like to buy a parrot, well, I've got some advice for you. The parrot had a life. Oh no. Sorry.
Good shot. We can start Red-Crowned Parrot Party.